If you are wondering how long does the battery last on POCO F7, then let me quickly share that information with you. So according to tests made by gsmarena.com, over there we can read that the average time of the battery usage is 14 hours and 45 minutes. Of course, this time depends on what you do with the phone, which apps are you using, which features are enabled, and so on and so forth. So for example, if you use your phone only for calling, then you can get almost 37 hours of the battery on a single charge, of course. If you use mainly for web browsing, you can get something around 13 hours. If you watch videos for all the time, from 100% to 0, it will take you 16.5 hours. For gaming, if you just play games on this phone, then the battery will last for 9.5 hours. So, as you can see, it depends on what you do, whether, for example, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, etc., if all these various features are enabled, and so on and so forth. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.